What's up, y'all? It's Johnny with Bees in the Box again. I know it's late. It's kind of cool. That's what I was waiting on so that my bees don't drift away. Got my package here. Got another one on the porch. We're going to put these in this 10 frame. First time I'm ever doing this. So if anybody's got any comments, just drop them below. But, yeah, we're going to do it. I had a good friend of mine that's been keeping bees since the Egyptians. Told me how to do this. No, not really. He ain't that old. But he told me how to do this, so let's hope I don't mess it up. So here comes our queen. Pull her out, cap them off real quick. All right, y'all, calm down. Watch out, girl. Hell, Mike don't even have used toothpicks.
Check the cord.
Oh, yeah. Good call, Mama. Or Jamie. Good call. Usually, it's just got the little sugar cork in there, but this one's actually got a cork. And like I said, I ain't never done this before, so. And there is no sugar under that.
The candy's in the other end.
We're going to pause the video for just a few seconds, y'all. So we're back, everyone. I was confused because I've never done this before. There is an actual cork on the lower end of the queen holder. But at the top, what I thought was going to be something to hold it on the frames is actually just a piece of metal that covers up the candy. So, once again, you'll see that on the recap video. My bad. The bees will actually eat the candy to get her out. And I was told put the candy to the top and then put a rubber band on it. All right, girls, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get y'all in there. As shown. And I'm going to add one more toothpick just for security. I mean, I know the bees ain't going to knock the toothpick out the way, but, you know, I just want a little extra security. We're going to place her, like I was told, right in the center. Pull the 2 frames to her. Take our hive tool. Ease the frames back to her. And you'll see I got 2 drawn frames. One's a deep, one's a medium. I didn't have what I wanted to, but I'm working with what I got. I just want to give her somewhere to lay when she comes out. With that said, I don't have another deep hive body, so I'm going to turn these bees over, hope that they go down. They should. Yeah, we're going to see. It's all learning to me, new to beekeeping. And this is another trick, how to get this thing out. And this is the can of sugar syrup that comes with the packaged bees, which is still pretty full, which is surprising, because I sprayed these bees earlier when I come home from lunch, and they were loving it when I sprayed them. All right, girls, come on. Believe it or not, they actually seem to be funneling down. Try and shake some of this. Maybe it'll encourage them to go down. I just don't want to shake the bees. I mean, if I have to, I will. I just don't want to. I mean, would you want anybody shaking your belly up? Yeah, I didn't think so. And I could be doing this wrong, y'all. Leave the comments down below if I am. I mean, I'm just working with what I got. I almost wonder if I shouldn't take these bees and put them down in the box. If anybody's had any experience with that, please leave that comment below. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because of the temperature outside and I don't have a deep to stick them in, I may just stick them in this. Because they're not looking like they want to go down. Boy. So, yeah, that don't want to level out. We'll leave it right there. Think I may just do that. What you think, Jamie?
Pull the frames and set the box in there.
I mean, with the time of day it is and the fact that I got another one to go, I think I might just do that so that they have somewhere to go, because they keep wanting to climb. And I'd rather not shake them, to be honest. Unorthodox beekeeping 101. Glad I used the longer toothpicks. Watch out, girls. I ain't trying to hurt y'all. And I guess doing it this way, y'all, I'll check it in a few days. Just make sure that they got out of there and that everything's okay. But I would really like to almost shake these bees to put them with the queen. And I'm gonna do it with this one, and we'll experiment and see what happens when we don't shake them on the next one. I just want to keep that queen warm. That's all I'm looking for, is to keep her warm, keep the hive warm. Because I put these on my back porch last night and was scared that they were going to get cold. It was about 55 when I put them on there last night. And like I say, I was just scared that they were going to get too warm or too cold. So I put them in a box on the back porch, and they did great. So let them get down a little bit, and we'll put the lid on them. I just feel a lot better putting that amount of bees on my queen, and we'll see what happens. Because apparently either they're cold or they like her a lot. So, like I said, any comments, please drop them below. I love to learn. I'm always about learning. But these bees are slowly but surely going down in the frames, as you see in the video. But We'll drop the next package here in just a few minutes. Like I said, what I read online, I know a lot of things can be misleading, but from gathering all the information that I read, putting them in colder weather is better than putting in package bees when it's warm. Correct me on that in the comments if you know better. But down here in Savannah, Georgia, this is what I'm trying. We're going to see how it works. And just let me know your thoughts, y'all. I'll be back on the next video when we install the second nuke. Or second package. Thanks, y'all.